Good evening, everybody. Matt Joyce here. And tonight, I'm going to show you how to make your very own ketogenic chocolate milkshake. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. We have our portable blender here. This is a Popbabies blender. You can get this exclusively from Amazon and also on eBay. It weighs about a pound. You could take it anywhere on the go. Put it in your gym bag. Put it in your purse. Portable charger here. Plug it into the wall and you're good to go. The charging port is in the back right here. Make your own smoothies at work, at the gym, or in the convenience of your own home. All right, so we're going to start off with 14 ounces of unsweetened almond milk. Then we're going to add Hershey's Cocoa Special Dark tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of organic fair trade decaf. And we're going to add a healthy fat. Now, I typically use coconut oil, but I've just tried this walnut oil. Absolutely amazing. Tastes delicious. And get this, walnut oil contains 1900 milligrams of omega-3, which is incredible. You need omega-3 on the ketogenic diet. So I'll put about a capful, which equates to about 1 teaspoon. The last ingredient, some stevia extract. I put about 7 drops in. 7. Depending upon how sweet you want it, you could add up to 10. Or if you want it less sweet, you could add about 5. Just put it on the base. See the blue light? And go. And voila! A ketogenic chocolate milkshake. Okay, guys, the moment of truth right here. Smells delicious. Now that is good. This tastes incredible. It tastes like a chocolate milk infused with a little bit of coffee. Tastes incredible. Not too sweet. Perfect. The perfect treat to end the night. I'm going to sleep like a baby after this one. That is delicious. Sometimes I add some protein in this, some Sun Warrior protein, chocolate flavored. But even with the chocolate flavor, I add a little bit of the Hershey's Extra Dark just to give it that extra chocolate taste, which I love. I love chocolate, guys. That is on a whole nother level. All right, guys, while you're here, why don't you check out all my other ketogenic videos as well. Keto diet recipes, desserts, dinners, lunches, and workout videos. Hey, the fun never stops here on this channel.